Hi, I'm Dawn and I've won the Accountancy Apprentice of the Year. I was offered an apprenticeship from my employer's North Wales Fire and Rescue Service and even though I have declined doing this course for quite a few years, I felt that now it was the right time for me to do it and on an apprenticeship scheme. The apprenticeship boosted my confidence and it made me realise that actually I was capable of doing more for myself and it was, you know, both professional and personal achievement for myself. I decided to become a mature apprentice because I'd done quite a few years in a finance role in my workplace and it's over 20 years since I last did a course and then I've raised my family during that break and then I just decided that now was the right time. It was a personal achievement of mine to complete another course after not being in education for over 20 years. So I was offered the AAT apprenticeship again and I took it up this time, but I experienced some personal issues in my home life and I had a house move and a divorce, but I continued to continue with my studies and I failed an exam twice and I was ready to give the course up, but my tutors and my fellow students, they supported me and just said just try it once more, see how you get on. So I did, I passed it and then I went on and passed all the other exams after, including the major exam at the end. So it was a relief when it was just such an achievement that I knew I could do the course whilst also going through a rough time. And I would recommend to family and friends or anybody who's in their mid-40s to consider it and take a course. I'm still in shock about winning the apprenticeship. I couldn't believe it when I first had Amanda's email about my nomination, but I'm over the moon that I was chosen. So yeah, I'm delighted.